Sorry, the first 10 seconds. Oh, Lord.
The first 10 seconds!
Alright, go on.
Hey guys, welcome back to RiRi Bakes and Creates. Today is quite a sad video. Because of this nonsense, I won't be able to be doing any videos right now because of this homeschooling, and I need to be sensible with all of the food that I'm using. So right now cakes aren't really my main project, but I do have a new channel that you can still watch. The link will be down below. Please still watch my videos. You can still share them with your family and your friends, and yeah, why not? Please still leave a comment in any of the videos that you can, just to put some suggestions so that when I do come back, I already have some suggestions from you lot, and I'll be back soon. In the meantime, I'll be having fun with my mom and my dad. Bye!